Here are 5 things that you can do to increase your credit score in the next 30 to 90 days. Hi everyone, and welcome to the More Money, More Freedom YouTube channel where we make your money work for you. In this video, I will explain exactly how you can increase your credit by 50 to 100 points in the next 30 to 90 days. The most important thing that you can do is smash that like button and subscribe, because I have great videos coming in the near future that you won't want to miss. Now that we have that out of the way, the first and most effective way to quickly increase your credit score is to find someone who trusts you, who has great credit, and who is willing to add you as an authorized user on one of their oldest credit cards with a high credit limit, ideally $15,000. The primary account holder is still responsible for payments on that card. So if they're hesitant to add you, find out if they're willing to add you without giving you the credit card information or giving you access to the card. That way you won't be able to use the card, you'll simply benefit from their great credit history. The next one should be obvious. Make sure you pay off your credit cards in full every month, and make sure to make the payments on time. If you have missed payments due to life happening or simply forgot, so you have some late payments on your credit card report, then do this. Go to Google and search TransUnion Dispute Login. Click on Start Dispute. Create an account if you don't have one, and then click on Start Request. Find the item you want to dispute. Click No, and then click It's Inaccurate, and click The Creator agreed to change the account information. In the additional comments section, write, "When I called, a representative agreed to have this late payment removed from my account now that it has been paid in full, and I have since been on time with all of my recent payments." Most lenders will remove the late payment history if you've been on time with the recent payments. Do the same thing with Equifax and Experian if they have it on record as well. The third thing that you should do is get multiple lines of credit, at least 3 to 4. You want to get credit cards from the big banks like Capital One, Bank of America, Chase, or Wells Fargo. Credit cards from these big banks tend to help increase your credit score faster than getting a credit card from like Macy's or Home Depot. The fourth thing that will help increase your credit score is having a high combined credit limit. $15,000 should be your first goal, but eventually you want to get to at least $50,000 in available credit. This will help with keeping your utilization rate low. You want to keep that below 10% as much as possible. For example, if the credit limit on your credit card is $1,000, try not to use more than $100 on that credit card. One way to keep your utilization rate low is by paying off your card every 2 weeks instead of waiting for the full 30-day cycle. Another way to deal with this is to call the credit card company and see if they will increase your credit limits on your credit cards. But after trying to get another credit card or 2, your score might actually go down a little bit because of something called a recent inquiry. This is the number of hard inquiries by lenders when they're trying to decide whether or not they should loan you money. You can dispute these like the late payment dispute process I explained earlier, but in the additional comments section, write, "When I called, a representative agreed to have this inquiry removed from my account since I didn't realize it would be reported to the credit bureaus." Remember that the credit card company has to send in evidence in order to keep that inquiry on the credit report. So if they don't do anything, then it should be removed. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember, more money, more freedom, less stress.